Kathy here from kathyskutekreations with my granddaughter,
Megan.
and we are going to show you what came in the mail. So we have a contest because we need a new home for the American Maid. And it's going to be a table runner this time. So do you want to take your fabric out and show it, or do you want to take mine out? Which
You
one?
take yours out.
All right, so don't open that one because we're going to give it away.
This is the giveaway.
Okay. So, I don't mind opening mine here.
Sir.
We're going to take a peek at it.
It's a cat, y'all.
Yeah. So keep in mind,
Stop fighting it.
here are the dates and everything. I'm going to put that up here on the screen so everybody can see it. Okay, that's our dates. I think you can read them. I think it'll go in there. And then Laurie can do the quilting if you can't and you don't know where to take it to and you're fairly new. Okay? All right, so here is Leo.
She'll support you.
Do what?
I said she'll support you.
Oh, yes. All righty, so let's look at the fabric.
I'm just setting
That's pretty.
now. And can you stop, please?
Now, I don't know what order this is in. I'm just picking it up and setting it back down because I have no directions, so it's not laid out any certain way.
There's another one.
This looks like, that looks like fireworks. That's what it makes me think of.
Yeah,
Fireworks. Okay.
because you have it so far away.
Well, let's go this way with it, and we'll put it between us. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
It's such a distraction to have him. He's in everything.
I love him though. You love him.
There's some more fireworks.
Sir. He just bit my finger. It's okay. It was an accident. There's a long one. Ooh, long. But it's pretty.
Yeah, it is. I like that red and white. This is pretty too. This is white and blue.
You know, you can
Look like some of them look like little hearts
fighting some other things.
or little triangles. Could be like confetti.
Those are triangles and lines.
Okay, next.
Oh, sure. Give me the plain Jane.
Oh, for heaven's sakes.
It's okay. It's
You can
okay.
do the last one then.
We love red bottoms. No, go for it. I'm not
There's
stealing
the-
your thunder.
My fund.
Boom.
Okay, now there is no plain white, so it's my guess there will not be a plain white background. I'm going to guess it's either going to be this white because this is the most fabric. These are the two
probably gonna
that
be
have the
red.
most, so it'll be red. Well, I don't know what color.
I think it might be red.
I don't know. I have no clue. I'm clueless. Okay, so if you want to follow along and you want to win this and give it a new home, why don't you just sign all that for the... Okay. Laughing aside, if you want it, don't just say it's pretty fabric. You need to say that, yes, you want it, okay? You want the kit. All right, so we're going to put this up. I'll get it up as fast as I can so that you guys can see it and you can start voting. And then I'll take your vote. I'll write everybody's name down and we'll do a drawing.
How are they going to vote?
What do you mean how
How are they going to vote?
They're going to say they want it. That's it. All they're going to say is they want the
That's
kit.
not voting. They're saying that they want it.
Okay, they want it, and then I'll vote.
It's a
How's
random
that?
drawing. It's
Yeah.
not a vote. It's a random drawing. Who's with you in a vote?
Apparently, I
Are
want
you
to
gonna-
vote
are you gonna
somebody
make-
in or something.
Are you going to make like a Twitter, Instagram, and be like, oh my gosh, it's a poll. Let's vote. Ah.
No. Mm-mm. Can't happen. But anywho, that's it. Okay? All right. So let me know. You want it? Say it. What?
Don't forget.
Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up and a like. And
No.
What? The thumbs up and the like are the same. Shoot.
Like,
Comment.
comment, subscribe.
I'm never going to get it.
Not with that attitude.
Oh my God, I knew you were going to say that. Okay.
Okay.
If we quit. I can't.
Okay, go on.
I'm afraid to say it.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay, so let's just wrap this up so we can get it uploaded so everybody can start asking for it. There you go. I didn't say the word vote. You know what I mean? They want the kid. All right, I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.